Kaizer Chiefs is playing the great Mamelodi Sundowns, the champions of Africa. Of course, it had to happen on our third game of the season. Of course, Bafowethu, I'll be predicting the starting lineup, breaking down the starting lineup that I'm predicting, and you also have to drop your starting lineup. So as usual, Bafowethu, without the waste of time, let's jump straight into the video together.
Welcome to the Amakosi Stand podcast, your premier destination for deep analysis and the latest updates on the beautiful game, where every kick tells a story.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host, Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Great Town. And namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. Bafethu, we all know what the Kaizer Chiefs will be playing against Mamelodi Sundowns, the boys from Mamelodi, Pretoria, and we'll be home. We'll be home. We have to put pressure on Sundowns as Kaizer Chiefs fans, not on our players, but on Mamelodi Sundowns players. They have to feel the pressure. They have to feel our presence as the fans. So without further ado, let's predict our starting lineup. And our last video for starting lineup, we did really good, Bafethu. There were comments predicting the starting lineup. The views were good, the likes were good. So please on this one, also don't disappoint. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Subscribe. Danko. Bafethu, I'll be straightforward and simple. I don't want to make a long video because it seems like on this channel, longer videos, they don't seem to perform well. If you think I'm lying, you can go and check my last video and see how it performed. I doubt it even reached hundreds views, but you can go check. This was the starting lineup for the Iskukune game. We had Brendan Peterson as a goalkeeper. The back four was Solomons, Inasho Miguel, Zeta Kwinika, Riff Rosler, midfield, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Lebogang Mabuye, front three, the middle before Etios Ekotaro was Asanele Velebaye, Luke Badman, and Langelihle Pili. The striker was Etios Ekotaro. So I'll be looking for some changes from the starting lineup. So let's get straight into the starting lineup. Let's just get straight into the starting lineup because there will be the changes. You saw Uti, Fernando de Cruz rested some players, the likes of Mfundo Vilakazi, Thabiso Munyane was rested. Naye. There were lots of players who were rested. So I think we'll have some 3 or 4 changes for our starting lineup for Mamelodi Sundowns. That would trash Mamelodi Sundowns by plenty of goals. I've said it. We will win against Mamelodi Sundowns. But right now, we are dealing with the starting lineup, not the score prediction. This is the starting lineup. Our goalkeeper, I feel sorry for Ronaldo Lina. Maybe we'll get a chance on some maybe Nedbank Cup or Black Label, but yeah. I thought he should have gotten a chance on that MTN 8. But yeah, it is what it is. Brendan Peterson on the goal. Our defense, Thabiso Munyane, as he was rested. Inasho Miguel, Zita Kwinika. As much as I had to say this, Riff Rosler will come back and play as a left back. I miss Bradley Cross. I miss him a lot. You see, Riff Rosler is really good going forward. Buffett. He puts in some good crosses. His speed, his technique, he's technically gifted, his experience. But when it's time to track back and cover the space, it's hard. Especially when he plays with a young boy. Des can't come back and really help him on defense. It is hard. But he will start this game. I doubt he will be moving forward a lot. Midfield, Sibongiseni Mthethwa and Lebogang Mabuye. That combination was good. That combination was good. That combination in the middle of the park was good. Usibongiseni Mthetho Nyamboza was cutting all the passes that the opponent were trying to create, the chances, everything. He just destroyed Sekhukhune. He was on top of the Sekhukhune United middle field. They couldn't build anything in the middle of the field because of u-Ox Mthetho. And when we put him alongside Umabuye, who can play passes, be composed on the ball, who can play a ball, Sibongiseni Mthethwa is a good midfielder. You don't need Sibongiseni Mthethwa to play the ball, no. You need him to break all the lines, all the chances that are created by the opponent. That's why I say he'll be starting with Lebohang Mabuye. The attacking three behind the striker, I would go with Mfundo Obrigado. I think he will be starting on that right winger because he was rested. Remember, he was rested for this game and he will come in and perform. I trust him. He'll perform. And my number 10, I would love Mtu Shabalala to be there, but he seems like he's not, although he scored a goal, but he's not ready to start a game, especially not against Mamelodi Sundowns. So it's not a good time to bring him back on the starting lineup. So Luke Badman, he will continue there unless Ethan Chislet is back and he was rested for this game. Unless that. So Batman will start at the number 10 unless Ethan Chislet is back. On my left winger, who can guess? Who can? Obvious. Obvious, we are starting our boy, the new star boy, Edna Churena. He has arrived. We've just seen a glimpse of him. What can he do? What will he do to Mamelodi Sundowns? What will he do to the rest of the teams? Langelihle, number 10, star boy, star player, 142, Pili. He will be starting at that left wing and showing Mamelodi Sundowns how we do it at Naturena. Mark my words, he will score. And as a striker, I think this will be a big surprise because Itosi Kodaro won't be starting this game. Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't need a centre forward. Wandile Duba won't be starting this game. But Da Silva will be starting this game. The Portuguese Magnifico, the lentil striker, the striker that has more goals than any other strikers right now in South Africa. Yes, Da Silva will be starting and he will score a crazy goal against the Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm calling it. So this is my starting lineup. Let me recap on it. So, goal, Brendan Peterson. The defense, Thabiso Munyane, Inasho Miguel, Zitsakunika, Reeve Flosler. Midfielder, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Lebohang Mabuye. Number 10, Luke Batman, if Ethan Chislet will not be available. Right winger, Fundo Obrigado Vilakazi. Left winger, the star player, Thabo, not Thabo, Langelihle Phile. I'm thinking about Thabo Moloisane. I hope he will get his chance very soon. That's why I said Thabo. Langelihle Phile will be starting at the left back, and our target man, the lentil striker, will be starting as a striker for that game against Mamelodi Sundowns because we need to put in crosses. We need to put in high so he can head, low driven crosses so he can shoot the first time. So Bafethu, you can and you must drop down your predicted starting lineup against Mamelodi Sundowns. And don't forget to also comment your predicted scoreline. My scoreline will be 3-1 to Kaizer Chiefs. We'll trash Mamelodi Sundowns by 3-1. They will have no chance on us. Trust me. And you can also drop your score prediction down below. But first, thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.